Hey there, Dan here, and today, I'm going to show you a proven method of how to reset your DSG transmission in minutes. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. First off, why would you need to reset your DSG? Well, if you're experiencing jerky shifts, delayed responses, or that annoying transmission malfunction light, a reset might just be your saving grace. Think of it like restarting your phone when it's acting up. Sometimes your transmission just needs a fresh start. Now, before we jump in, remember, this method works for most Volkswagen, Audi, SKODA, and Seat vehicles with DCT transmissions. And the best part? You don't need any special tools, just your car key and about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. And please, follow these steps exactly as I explain them. Step 1. Ensure your car is in park. Make absolutely sure your car is in park position with the handbrake on. I can't stress this enough. We don't want any unexpected movement. Step 2. Now, turn your vehicle to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see all your dashboard lights illuminate. This is super important. We just want the electrical system on, but the engine stays off. Step 3. Press that gas pedal all the way down to the floor until you feel the accelerator button. Don't worry, nothing bad will happen. Step 4. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This is crucial. Keep your foot pressed down on the accelerator for a full 30 to 60 seconds. You might hear some clicking sounds. That's totally normal. It's just your transmission getting ready for the reset. Step 5. Turn off the vehicle. After those 60 seconds, turn the key back to the off position. But here's the important part. Don't take your foot off that gas pedal. Keep it pressed down. Step 7. Release and exit. Now. After another 30 seconds, you can finally release that gas pedal. Go ahead and get out of the car. Step 8. Lock and unlock the vehicle. Here's the last step. Lock your car with your key fob, then unlock it. This might seem strange, but it's actually confirming the reset procedure in the car's computer system. After completing this reset, take your car for a short drive. About 10 minutes should do it. This helps the transmission learn your driving style again. During this drive, try to vary your speeds a bit, but don't drive aggressively. And that's it, folks. Pretty simple, right? Just remember, patience is key during those waiting periods. Don't try to rush it. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more car maintenance tips and guides.